what we specialize is in full motion video, specifically geospatial full motion video. And what I mean by that is we take video and we put it on a map. We have what I like to refer to as a soup to nuts solution from the camera back. And what I mean by that is we have a device that will often sit on aircraft or potential mobile devices, mobile mapping vans. Really, it could be any kind of vehicle, a platform, marine. It's called the GeoDVR, or Geospatial Digital Video Recorder. What the Geospatial Digital Video Recorder does is it takes full motion video, records it, and injects that video permanently and persistently with GPS data. And what I mean by permanently and persistently is there's a number of systems out there, be it big military-grade systems or consumer-grade systems like action cameras that'll do geotagging of video, but it doesn't do it in a fashion that withstands editing. So we have a patent-pending technique called Whisper that, as I said, injects the video permanently and persistently with the geospatial data. Now, post-mission, we have a suite of software called Line Vision, and we have different flavors of Line Vision, but today we'll be talking about what we have for Esri. We have a standalone Line Vision called Line Vision Esri ArcGIS, and this is a very simple, user-friendly tool. You don't have to be an ArcGIS expert or ArcMap expert to use it. You just simply open up the program. You can add video, you can add photos, documents, annotations, anything you want, and it finds its way onto the map. We have another tool we just released called Line Vision ArcMap add-in, which is a true add-in for the ArcMap environment for playing full motion video, and also these other rich media asset types I talked about. Again, photos, documents, files, whatever the case may be. We also have a patent-pending technique called GeoProject. So what we do with all that data is we wrap it up and save it as a GeoProject file type. And those GeoProject file types can be passed around the different Line Vision titles. So for example, a project that was put together in Line Vision ArcGIS, maybe by somebody who wasn't a geospatial expert, he does the initial workflow and analysis, passes that on to somebody who's using Line Vision ArcMap add-in, and then the more experienced person, GIS expert, will then open that project, do some more editing, maybe go into their geodatabase and do some other back-end traditional geospatial work, but they have all that valuable video and rich media content in one place. A lot of clients that are doing patrols, aerial patrols for pipelines and power line companies is a big market for us right now. We're targeting obviously the companies themselves because we've now released an enterprise cloud and server solution called Line Vision Empire. And so now with Line Vision Empire, we think that that's going to actually sit behind the firewall in a lot of these bigger utility enterprises and pipeline enterprises. Our technology is actually fairly horizontal in its applicability. So we've actually, while we do focus on the energy corridor market because that's where a lot of our business has been to date, we've had some interesting clients come on board lately. For example, we're working with a group out of Greenland that's using our equipment to count narwhals. And another group out of Florida that's using it for monitoring seagrass. And the effects that the shipping industry has on that at the ports. So there's a lot of things our technology can be used for. So as we grow and expand, we hope to tackle more of those industries. Obviously, defense is really interesting to us. And one of the things that we think we can offer defense that's not currently being done is the technique that exists today is called KLV. And KLV, when you geotag video using that method, it doesn't withstand editing. And so our technique actually withstands editing. So we would like to work with the defense industry to see if they would maybe be interested in adopting our technique in conjunction with what they're doing so that you do have that permanent and persistent geospatial intelligence.